Welcome to Las Vegas CES 2024. In front of you is the famous Sphere, the newest iconic landmark in front of the Venetian Expo. This year is the year of AI and spatial computing. The Sphere usually displays a commercial followed by art, like this funny holiday-themed giant emoji. In this CES 2024 3D VR 180 experience, I will bring you in front of some of the must-see installations. Futuristic vehicles, scary-looking robotic dogs that can jump, funny dancing robots, and even some very questionable inventions. I will keep the narration to a minimum so you can fully immerse yourself in the biggest consumer tech event in the world. So put on your VR headset like the Meta Quest 3 or Apple Vision Pro and join me at CES 2024. The first stop is LG. Every year they have the best installation of the entire show. Let's experience LG together and remember to look all around. Next, you're teleported to the Honda showroom in front of the Honda Saloon EV concept car. As the first member of Honda's Zero Series, the Saloon dedicated electric platform has a highly density battery that can charge from 50 to 80% in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. This is one of the most exciting highlights of CES 2024. Enjoy! Next, we have the Honda Space Hub. You won't see the scale of the Space Hub until you experience it in 3D 180. It is a big EV car. The big glass roof is a notable feature as seen in the video. It provides passengers with a futuristic view of the outside.
A fantastic view. Futuristic. Just the view of outside. The whole idea is the car inside, you can see the view outside.
But it's futuristic!
It only outside from you see inside, but for people inside you see the car, oh, you see outside.
You should keep that. No, you should keep our banter. The big glass roof is a noticeable feature as seen in the video. It provides passengers with a fantastic view of the outside. Great for travel or road trips. Now let's enjoy a live DJ set by the famous Korean DJ. I don't know his name. This is a 3D live virtual production concept within the Lotte Caliverse, a Korean metaverse where you can shop, hang out with friends, play games, and watch live music. The key selling point of this installation is 3D. Just like the VR180 video you're watching right now. Look up and down to compare the real world and the virtual world. Our friends are partnering with them to bring TomorrowLand into VR. Pretty cool if you're EDM music lovers or festival goers. Okay, the party is over. Let's check out the robotics at CES 2024.
Or you could record that one because that one's move. Oh, it's funny. Here is that another next place. That will be cool.
That is very cute. Now let's check out a scary robot dog that is straight out of a science fiction movie. This AI robot dog from Unitree also has GPT on board with smart adaptive learning and only costs around $2,000. It's pretty crazy what this robot dog can do. Let's hope in the future we will not be attacked by them. Well, who knows? This is RayNeo X2 AR glasses by TCL. The size of these glasses are ridiculously small, and it features a super high-resolution micro LED optical waveguide display. It has an AI multi-modal with live translation and live navigation. Just like my Ray-Bans Meta glasses, it can basically do everything that Meta AI glasses can do, but with a real glasses display. It is coming out this year in March. Check me out trying out one of these AR VR hybrid glasses that are controlled by a ring. But honestly, the quality is nowhere compared to the Vision Pro or even the Meta Quest 3. Are you a gamer? If you are, you will be excited to see this new 48-inch curved screen OLED display by Gigabyte. It is a 10-bit HDR display with a high refresh rate. It has an AI built into it to protect against the burn-in on OLED problem.
Right here, we got a looking glass holographic display right here to show you 2D to 3D conversion with AI. So we capture the robot right there with an iPhone and then just like generate live from 2D to 3D through a looking glass so you can see in 3D. Really cool.
I hope you enjoy this 3D 180 immersive experience designed for Meta Quest 3, Apple Vision Pro, or other comparable XR headsets. There's so much tech at CES 2024, and we weren't able to capture it all in this video. If you like this experience of tech conferences, world events, tourist attractions, and 3D VR 180 immersive videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will have more 180 and 360 immersive videos for you to enjoy very soon. We cannot wait to see you again virtually. Until next time, see ya!